I hope this old train breaks down, then I could take a walk around, see what there is to see. Time is just a melody with all the people in the street walking fast as the feet can take 'em. I just roll through town, and though my window's got a view, well, the frame I'm looking through seems to have no concern for now. So for now, I need this old train to break down. Oh, please just let me please break